Tired of losing sales because your customers are getting bogged down in a complicated checkout process? Let's enable the Buy It Now button on your Debut Shopify theme to streamline the purchasing process and boost your conversions in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Then, navigate to Online Store and click on Themes. Find the Debut theme, or whichever theme you're currently using, and click the Customize button. On the left-hand side, you will see various options. Click on Theme Settings. Then, click on Products. Now, scroll down until you see Show Dynamic Checkout button. Make sure this box is checked. This enables the Buy It Now button on your product pages. And that's it. The Buy It Now button is now live on your product pages, offering your customers a faster, easier checkout experience. This simplified checkout process will allow customers to quickly purchase your products, decreasing cart abandonment and increasing sales. Like and subscribe for more Shopify tips to help you optimize your store and grow your business.